Everybody knows about technology. They have heard it. A lot of them have heard it, especially
Mhm.
of this Chat GPT and GPT-4. But it's a big problem for many of them how to actually use it. And with so much, even AI technology in different forms, from copy AI to Chat
Mhm.
GPT to GPT-4 to Bard to Bing to so many things happening, people can get confused. So,
Mhm.
just to start with the starting point itself, how can small businesses use AI technology to their advantage to maximize their business growth?
So the first thing that I want people to realize is and understand is I think a lot of people they get confused and overwhelmed with AI to begin with, and it's overwhelming whenever you're actually trying to get in it and understand it. But I think beyond understanding the AI is understanding how to implement it. And so when I talk to business owners about the actual uses of AI in business, some of the things that I mentioned are obviously social media content. So writing captions or titles, descriptions, things like that, or ebooks, creating. I actually teach my clients how to write an entire business plan or create a business model for their business. And so I want entrepreneurs to understand that, you can use AI for much more than just writing cute captions for Instagram. You can use AI to brainstorm and create a rough draft, if you will, of an entire business plan. You can use AI in order to assist you in making decisions, very important decisions for your business. It's all in how you know how to use it and understand how to implement it in your current operations and systems.